My name is Alif Anshil. I'm a third year MBBS student of Calicut Medical College, Government Medical College, and I'm representing Independence College Union. And this movement that is happening here is actually a good piece of hope for all individuals, all citizens of India. Here, representing the college union, the union currently realizes the need for spreading awareness about this thing all over the India. So as a part of that, I would like to ask a few questions so that basically the students of the Kerala or all the peoples of Kerala will be aware about what is happening in this, what is here going on, and what are the struggles they are facing and all. So may I?
Yes, please.
Okay, first of all, we want to know that what is happening here, why this movement is being dealt, and what is about the bill that is going to be passed against the farmers. Please tell me about that.
Yeah, recently the Modi government on 5th June, they have passed three rules, agricultural rule. So in Parliament, so all the farmers are opposing these. They have started the protest is started from Punjab, and afterwards Haryana is also involved in that. And last 3 months they are protesting. In 2 months they have protest in their state headquarters and their district headquarters. Afterwards they call for Delhi Chalo, and on 26th and 27th November they have called to Delhi Chalo, and they have started towards Delhi. So means in between so many barricading, the state governments Haryana state government have barricading them. They have broken the barricades, they have faced tear gases, they have faced water cannons, and they came here at Singhu border, at Gazipur border, at Tikri border, and they have the farmers have taken a strategy that we will sit at the doorstep of Delhi, and all the borders they have closed. Right now, as per my knowledge, the 5 borders are closed. So Delhi are surrounded by these 5 borders, and at all the 5 borders the farmers are there in lakhs of numbers. Lakhs of numbers.
And can you please explain in simple words what's the problem with the bill that Modi government had put forward?
Yes, there are 3 bills. First of all, first is APMC bill. APMC means the agriculture product they have sent in the government market, that is called mandi. So they sell their agriculture produce to that mandi. But right now the government have changed the amendment in this bill. What amendment is taken? The amendment is means the parallel mandis are also can be opened. Parallel mandis can also be opened. The corporate sector can open their parallel mandis, and they can purchase their farmers agriculture produce from these parallel private mandis. So in their private mandis, farmers are not getting any type of security, any type of guarantee. Right now what happens in government mandis, in APMC rule, anybody who has to purchase the agriculture produce, he has to take a license from government, and some security is also deposited to government. If any this merchant can't able to pay to the farmer, the security can by the government, from the security they can pay to the farmer. Right now what happened? Now the rule says that anybody who has a PAN card, they can purchase the agriculture produce. So what guarantee is there? In MP, I am from MP, I belongs to MP. I am reading we are reading in daily newspaper companies are coming, companies are purchasing their agriculture produce, and they are run away. Means so many cases have recently come in this month only, last December month only, so many cases have come from MP. So the fear, the afraid of farmers is not baseless. They are true. It is true, and it is happening only when the rules is not coming. They are in implementation. Still it is happening. Second is the Essential Commodity Act. Essential Commodity Act is amended. Six means agriculture produce have thrown out of this essential commodity list. So what is this? Aloo, pyaj, dalhan, tilhan, and these means grains. They have means kept out of this Essential Commodity Act. So now anybody can stock as much as can he can means this one. What happened that means Essential Commodity Act is made to control the market, to control the prices of these essential commodities. Now they have means kept out of this list. So anybody can kept means hold as much as he can, and they can do the kala bajari also. What to say? Black marketing also they can do. So that's why they are opposing. And the last one is contract farming. Contract farming is what? Contract farming is that any company can come and contract with the farmer to purchase their agriculture produce. The contract is not for any means agriculture produce only. The company will sell seeds, pesticides, and fertilizers, and all the things. Means they are saying that we will sell you techniques also to do the farming. So first of all, the company will earn profit from these sales. Afterwards, they purchase the produce of the agriculture with their own prices. So that's why farmers are very much afraid कि like this we will lose our agriculture produce as well as our means land also, because when the one company means one farmer become a
contract with the
contract will not be completed, then company will means do any case also there. And in this law, the farmer cannot go to the means this thing
the
court also they cannot go. They only can appeal to the SDM or meanwhile collector. That's all. So you can understand what happen when the company will do any type of means this thing with the farmer. So farmers are very much afraid. That's why they are protesting, and we all are with them. And it is not a protest of means Punjab and Haryana. It's only. It is the protest of all over India. All over India of the means India's farmer are protesting them. They some are coming here, some are not means able to come. They are protesting there at their places itself. That's all.
And I'm from Kerala, So for the people of Kerala, basically I'm representing the students of the Kerala. For the students of the Kerala, do you have any advice or anything that they are willing to involve? The students of the Kerala are very wonderful. They are always supporting such strikes and all. So for them, anything to say, please?
Yes, means I am saying students are also supporting this movement, and they are eager to come. But I know that because due to these trains are not coming frequently, they came only when they have a confirmed reservation in trains. Only they can come. So my advice is they protest their own places. They means aggravate. They should strengthen this movement, and they should go into the between the farmers. They go to the farmers, means unite them and protest at their own places. Means at district headquarters, their means capital headquarters, they should do.
Thank you so much. Here we have the volunteers of AIKKMS, which is coordinating the whole movement. Here we have Athar Singh, Rubesh Jan, Ishwar Singh, and Inder Singh. They all are volunteers of AIKKMS. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your coordination. Thank you.
ഇത് കേവലം കർഷക സമരം മാത്രമല്ല, ഒരു ജനതയുടെ ഭക്ഷ്യശീലങ്ങളിലേക്ക് വരെ കോർപ്പറേറ്റ് കൈക്കടത്തുന്നതിനെതിരെയുള്ള ചെറുത്തുനിൽപ്പാണ്. പോരാടേണ്ടത് അവർ മാത്രമല്ല, നാം ഒരുമിച്ച് ഒരേ മനസ്സോടെ. ജയ് ഹിന്ദ്.